What's going on, my E-Unit and my enigmatics? Welcome back to the channel. It is your host, the heavyweight champ, Maverick the Enigma McLaurin. I know I covered this tier list by myself already, but I decided to have a special guest come and rank them himself. Let me introduce him for you. He's one of the most talented, brightest young men I've ever ran across. Pause, because it sounds like I'm checking for him, but I'm not. You know I'm single, ladies. You know I'm single. Hit my line. but anywho, he hails from the SIP, Mississippi, and his name is Q Speaks Facts. Q, tell him what's good.
What's good with y'all boys, man?
Go ahead and sub to him. You know what I'm saying? I'll leave his link down below. If y'all haven't checked out our last collaboration where we did that NFL tier list video, man, y'all missing. Y'all missing. So let me run over the tiers again. Let me flip them. We have Back to the Streets with You, which is, basically means you're the thought and you need to go back to the streets. Then we have Thought Tendencies, meaning you not a whole thought, but you got some thoughtish ways. You know what I'm saying?
You got some potential,
And then you have She's Alright. Like, she's not a personal favorite, but at the same time, she don't got no thought tendencies up the arse. But, she good. She just good. Then you have My Girl. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're like second choice. You know what I'm saying? You're not a whole queen yet, but you still good in my eyes. Like, real good. And then we have the Queens. You know what I'm saying? I think that's self-explanatory. Don't you think so, Q?
Oh, for sure.
Anyways, let's get right into this thing. I know all these pictures by heart now because I've been recording over this over the past few days. Demi Lovato, I think this is. Yeah, this is Demi Lovato. Q, where she belong? Like, this is me doing the list for you. Where does she belong?
I say My Girl.
Okay, Q's your girl. She your girl. Demi Lovato's your girl. Allegedly. Okay. You'd go for Demi Lovato. Okay. I see you. What about okay, who's next? Carrie Underwood. Where does she go?
I'll give her My Girl.
Okay. She a country singer too. Like I mess with country singers like heavily. I know you probably do, considering you come from the SIP. Lana Del Rey.
What's that fourth column again? What's the fifth column?
Oh, the fifth column is Queens, descending, but the top column is Back to the Streets.
Who we talking about again?
Lana Del Rey.
Lana Del Rey. I guess you could say. I guess you could say My Girl too, for her.
Okay. Lana Del Rey's your girl. Okay. Taylor Swift.
Cut that bitch back to the street.
Hey, tell her why she for the streets. Tell us why she for the streets. Real quick, tell us.
Because she's the prime paragon, the perfect example of what it means when that good girl shit is just a facade.
She takes that mask off. I feel it. All right, Kelly Rowland.
Thought tendencies.
Hey, explain what kind of thought tendencies do she got though? Because I don't hear too much.
Man, no, I like you ain't heard, bro.
Man, there. I think you know what? Now that my memory serves, I do remember her flirting with contestants on X Factor. I do remember that. So yeah, she got it over thought tendencies for that. But she not a whole thought though. She not a whole thought.
Nah.
J-Lo.
Thought tendencies.
Yeah, her body count way too high. I agree with you. Her body count is too high. But she don't carry herself like no thought though. She not a whole thought. Tierra Marie. Allegedly. Tierra Marie.
Back to the streets.
Yeah, if y'all ain't watch Lottery Ticket, that tells you who exactly Tierra Marie is. You don't believe us? Go ask 50 Cent.
Hey, what I tell you yesterday, these chicks and people in general, when they play on Hollywood casting, they're basically playing who they really is in real life.
And that's why they do so good.
And thank you. Once again, art is the imagery of life.
Facts. Facts. Janet Jackson. Hey, you ain't gonna make me mad. So do you say wherever you think she belong?
I want to say Th0t tendencies.
All right, I'll give you that. Okay. Why you got a Th0t tendency though? What kind of Th0t tendencies you got? Was it because of poetic justice? Be honest.
That. I don't know if you've seen the interview. That was this one interview. I can't remember. She pulled her titty out on national television.
Oh, the Super Bowl performance with Justin Timberlake. Oh yeah, I remember.
She said, I still look good.
Yes, Th0t tendency. Ashanti.
I want to give her my girl because I don't hear too much about her.
Yeah, me too.
Nobody does.
Yeah, she
don't mean she ain't doing nothing though.
Nah, we don't hear too much about her often. Let's just say that. Not often. Maya Harrison. You know. Falling head over heels and falling.
And guess what? She about to head over the hills, falling into the category box of Th0t tendencies.
Well, you got Th0t tendencies. Was it because of Honey or something? One of her movies or something?
Don't forget Honey, and when she was playing co-guest star on Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, she was on there. She got Th0t tendencies. Hey,
art is the imitation of life.
Facts. Queen Latifah.
Th0t tendencies.
What? Th0t tendencies? I'm surprised we haven't put anybody in She's Alright.
You know what? Yeah, I'll take that back. I will put her in. Actually, due to her being a lesbian, I say yeah, you can definitely put her in She's Alright.
That's what I would put her to because you know what I'm saying. For you to qualify for being not saying that lesbians can't be thoughts too, but I don't hear too much around her, sleeping around. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Oh boy, this finna get controversial. Where's my water? Okay. I had to take a sip real quick. Whew. Beyonce.
I'm gonna definitely give her Th0t tendencies.
Yes, finally somebody agrees with me on that. Yes. If I put Michelle Williams on here, the other third Destiny Child member, all three of them got Th0t tendencies. No cap.
And especially the leader, that's where they get it from. Come on.
Right. Birds of a feather flock together. Y'all remember that song? You remember the song? If her status ain't hood, ain't street, if you manage on the street, if you looking at me.
when that song come out, 2006? Exactly. Okay then.
Yeah, that was the last we saw Destiny Child.
She went from that to 2007 to the left. Irreplaceable.
Right.
let you know, man.
Yeah, they tell on themselves. Jordan Sparks.
Man, I gotta give her. Damn, I don't really hear nothing from her.
Me
I
neither.
want to call her a queen, but I'm gonna put her in my girl.
Okay. Yeah, because there's nothing really extraordinary about her per se. I mean, because in my list, I know when I did this list, I don't think I put her in queen, but I think I put her somewhere. If I didn't put her in my girl, I put her in she's all right because I don't hear too much about her.
Right.
Vanessa Carlton. Y'all might know her as the girl who sings 1,000 Miles. Dun, 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 dun. But dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. You probably don't know who she is, do you?
Are you talking about Making My Way Downtown? That?
Yeah, she sings that.
Put her in she alright.
She's alright? Okay, we gonna put her in she's alright. She gonna be alright. Solange.
Get that bitch to thought. Tendencies with her sister, man.
What? What?
I'm gonna tell you something, bro.
Why?
Bro.
Why, bro? Why?
I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tell you why. She get the game from her mama.
Yeah, no cap. Even though they supposedly come from a Christian family, but most Sunday Christians, indirectly raise their daughters to be thoughts. Okay, who's next?
Purposely.
Who's next?
Man, you know who next, man.
Oh, Aaliyah. Oh my God.
You knew
that, man. I'm looking, man. Where you want to put her, Q? You probably already know where I will put her.
Yes, for sure, but I'm gonna have to make you a little mad, man, because I'm definitely not friend zoning Aaliyah. I ain't friend zoning that, man. If anything, I'm trying to tap that. I ain't trying to. No.
No. If anything, Q, you would give her the proud sir.
For sure. Even though I don't say that, you know what I say.
Yeah. There's gonna be a T-shirt one day, guys.
And allegedly. But
where we putting her? Where are you putting her?
I want to put her in Ashley. I mean, due to the fact that, hey man, she lied about her age when she married R. Kelly now.
Yeah, we gotta take that into account.
She basically was like a groupie in a way, but she was prepped up to be that way.
Yeah, I think she was very taken advantage of at a young age. That's the one thing we gotta factor too. Like when you young, you don't know no better. You know what I'm saying?
But they all got it in them though, bro. And I don't necessarily want to give Aaliyah Th0t tendencies. It's up for debate, in my opinion.
Yeah, because she didn't come off like no Th0t, especially in not no interviews or nothing like that. Like,
right.
If anything, she's more of a tomboy than a Th0t when her past interviews, and then as she grew older, she grew to be a little bit more feminine.
And that's a red flag, though, when you're being a tomboy. Because that shows Th0t tendency.
Yeah, because personality switches, yeah, and inconsistency with personality, yeah. But I do believe in maturation, though. I do believe in maturation. It could be just a maturation thing, but you know what I'm saying? We'll never know, considering that, she passed away at such a young age. God rest her soul.
Facts.
So where are we putting her, man?
I'm gonna go ahead and give her I don't think I can trust giving her no queen, man. I'm gonna put her in my girl.
Okay, all right. Like I had to throw. I had to consider her music too. Like her music be hitting me in a certain kind of way though when you listen to her. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Like she come off like a lady in the street, but a freak in the sheets. But anywho, Alessia Cara.
She alright.
Oh, she alright? Okay, we gonna put her in she alright. Okay, who's next? JoJo. The Leave Get Out girl. Get out right now. It's the end of you and me. Her.
She alright.
She alright? Okay. Avril Lavigne. Why'd you have to make everything so complicated? That girl. Hey, you, I don't like your girlfriend.
Th0t tendency.
What?
Th0t tendency, bro.
That's a Th0t tendency?
Th0t tendency.
Okay. Man, Th0t tendencies is taking the storm. Okay, Iggy Azalea.
She for the street.
Yeah, we already know that. She was a strip, son. Like, that's no question. That's no question. You know what I'm saying? Plus, she's a very, very poor freestyler. Very poor.
She's not even talented.
Exactly. She's just a bimbo when it comes to the rap game. Looks good. It gets paid to stand there and say nothing.
And just like while she's on that song with T.I., I don't want no mediocre.
Yep.
That age like milk. That age just like milk.
Right. Show did. Brandy.
That's what I'm talking about. Some Brandy.
Moesha.
I ain't gonna lie. Brandy does sometimes kind of come off as really feminine.
Yep.
You know? But I'm gonna give her a she alright.
Okay, she's alright. Okay, she alright. I can't stand Ray J though. Her little brother, I can't stand him. Sometimes.
I don't even pay that dude no attention, to be honest.
Okay, who's that? Yeah, that's Britney Spears. Okay, it hit me for a second. I couldn't see for a second. Britney Spears.
Okay. Britney for the streets.
Yeah, I knew that was good. Yeah. Look, you don't cheat on Justin Timberlake and expect not to get thrown back to the streets.
I make that dude cry over.
You don't have to say what you did. I already know. Found out about him. I think we're about to piss a lot of people off. Cardi B.
Man, fuck all them people, man. She for the streets. I wish somebody would argue.
What'd you say?
I wish somebody would try to argue that.
When me and my best friend did this, sadly, the recording got wiped away because my computer decided to do some funny shit on me. He tried to argue that she ain't a whole thot because she married.
What the? I'm not even gonna put my 2 cents into that.
Yeah, don't. I'd rather you not. Anyway, that's my best friend. We gonna leave it at that. Warning, I put 2 different versions of Mariah Carey and 2 different versions of Ariana Grande. Just cause. Current Mariah Carey.
I want to give her for the streets for some reason.
But are you, though?
I'll give her she's alright.
Just alright? Okay. To me, she comes off more like a diva than a thot. You know what I mean?
Alright.
But you know what I'm saying. This your opinion, but you threw her. You threw her in there. Kesha.
I don't never heard too much about her at all. Does anybody ever hear anything about Kesha?
All I heard about her was the drug use and the battle with Sony. Other than that, I don't hear too much about her.
Drugs. Okay. Drugs? Okay. Send her ass to the streets.
Dang. Okay. We'll throw her there. 2010, 2011 Ariana Grande, though.
Oh, man. I can't call that no queen, though. But I will give her my girl.
Dang, nobody ain't no queens yet. We almost half an hour into this and ain't no queens for Q yet. That's hilarious. Keisha Cole. Keisha Cole.
Hey, she said she had enough for no love. But guess what, though? Guess what, though, Trent?
What?
I mean, Champ. Guess what, though, right?
What is it?
She ain't had enough of them streets.
She going back to the streets? This guy's killing me here, man. Hey, get his video 10 likes. We're gonna have Q on here more often. Okay. Lord. You know the we'll never be royals.
I can't give her no queen, bro. I just can't.
You just can't.
I mean, honestly, I ain't heard shit since that song.
Oh, trust me, if you dive deep into her library, you will be impressed. But where you want to put her? Where you want to put her though?
I want to put her in my girl.
Okay. All right.
But I ain't gonna cap. The girl music slams.
All right.
And it's crazy that she ain't got no clout.
Yeah, it is crazy. She gets a lot of underdeserving hype. She needs more. Attention. Ellie Goulding.
Who the hell is that?
She's the why I got you on my mind. Why I got you on my mind.
Well, I'm glad she ain't never been on mine. So I put her in whatever. She alright.
Wrong picture. Stupid mouse. Carly Rae Jepsen.
Who the hell is that?
Hey.
Wait.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy.
Yeah. I put her in my girl.
Okay.
No. She alright.
Okay, she alright.
But I like that song. I'm not gonna count.
Yeah, that used to slap. It just got played out after a while. No cap.
Nah, it got played out quick, honestly. It was catchy as hell, but it got played out quick.
Yeah. Foxy Brown.
I'm gonna get that by tendencies.
I'm shocked. Yeah, that's obvious. Carrie Hilson.
Man, she's been quiet for a good minute, bro. I'm gonna get her my girl.
Okay.
Get her my girl.
Okay, Carrie Hilson's your girl. All right. Besides, she from Decatur, Georgia. I know you like them country gals. You know what I'm saying? Lauryn Hill.
Allegedly.
Lauryn Hill.
Tendency.
Oh! You about to piss a lot of people off, Q. Katy Perry.
She for the street.
Hey, hold on. Go back to Lauryn Hill real quick. Why is she at thought tendencies though?
Lauryn Hill?
Yeah, why Lauryn Hill got thought tendencies though?
Do you know why?
Crap load of kids she had.
Yeah, you have it.
Why Katy Perry gotta go to the streets?
I don't have to answer that, bro. You already know, man.
Hey, some of her fans might be. She got a heavy fan base though. But anywho, we gonna move on.
That's part of the problem too. That's part of the problem too.
Yeah, it is.
But anyway,
we gonna move on. Jennifer Hudson.
yo, she sold her parents out, bro.
What?
She sold her parents out.
Oh yeah, she did. Mama and her nephew. Yup, mama and her brother. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she did it. Yeah, she did that just so she could get her career popping. So that's automatic for the streets. Despite how she may perceive herself, that's for the streets.
David Otunga, you did the right thing, bro. You did the right thing. Jill Scott.
Okay, she had a microphone when she was on stage. Had a microphone and acting like it was a you know what? And I'm pretty sure you do know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I'm pretty much sure you know exactly when this happened or if you remember this or not. But she was on stage and she was acting like she had a microphone and she was acting like it was a So those were, and I can't get her for the streets even though she's so called monetized. But I will give her thought tendencies for that.
Wow. Wow. I didn't see that coming. I didn't see that coming. No, I'm saying. Lady Gaga.
Same. Man, ain't gonna cap.
Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga.
Yeah, Lady Gaga. Bad Romance, Poker Face.
Lady Gaga more like bitch goo goo gaga. Bitch cray cray. It may sound crazy. She definitely ain't getting nothing good out of this.
Ah!
I'm gonna get her thought tendency.
Oh, okay. She not a whole thought, but she
because
got
because any bride I'm gonna say this, any bride that is obsessed with makeup, that's automatic for me.
True, more or less. Okay, moving on. Lil Kim.
I knew we ain't doing this.
Is it that obvious, I guess?
How many licks does it take to get to the Hey Trey, I gotta ask you a question.
What's up?
How many steps does it take to get her out of that box to drag her up to the street column?
Well, let's find out. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5.
There we have it.
Yeah. Okay, left eye. R.I.P.
Dog. They said Tupac found her with some Naughty by Nature panties on. So, and let's not, he burnt down the house.
Yeah, she brought down Andre Rison's house. I remember that.
Now those are potentials. Those are potential problems. You know I got to say she got tendencies.
Of course. Man, Th0t tendencies is racking up. They're still the leading column. Madonna.
For the streets. Man, come on.
Yeah, that's obvious. That is so. Bro, she literally campaigned Amber Rose's slut walk.
Why? Because she didn't have it?
Right, exactly. 90s Mariah Carey.
Oh, man.
90s Mariah Carey.
Man, I can't cap. Man, 90s Mariah Carey was sweet, wasn't she?
Yes, man. Yes, sir.
But she not getting no queen.
Ah!
So I'm gonna have to give her my girl.
Okay. Yo, girl. All right. Mary J. Blige.
Well, she said she can do bad all by herself, so. And let's not forget, there was a rumor around saying that, when she was signed to Bad Boy, they said she sat in Tupac's lap, and after she got up, they said Pop smelled his pants and said a Mary J. Blige cat stink. So. Now, rest in peace to Tupac as well, but
my nigga.
I got to go with Th0t.
Come on, man. Oh.
Hey, she said she loved her Mr. Rome now too. Hey, I mean.
I am IG. Because you hear about a lot of times dating young cats. That's all I'm gonna say. Megan Thee Stallion.
Or the streets.
Ah! Get y'all talk about but when I did this list, I put her in Th0t tendencies because what got her an excuse is that she watches anime. And I watch a lot of anime, so you know what I'm saying. Meghan Trainor, though.
I also see why you could give her Th0t tendencies because she's the only one. She's the only female out here in the one of the actual celebrity modern females that are doing these Th0tish things. Actually, I could actually give her a debate that says, hey, she looks good even without makeup.
Yeah, I do. I do agree with that. She does look good without makeup. You know what I'm saying? She just wear it just to, do her job. It's what she do to get paid. You know what I'm saying? Meghan Trainor, though. All about that bass.
And I'm all about the truth. So, well, I ain't heard nothing from her. So, I get her she alright.
Oh, she alright? Okay.
But I ain't gonna cap, man. I'm all about that bass slap.
Yeah. For a little bit. It did.
Everybody was gonna do.
Miley Cyrus.
Send her back to the streets where she belongs.
I'm sorry. How you sung that was just so epic.
Low key.
What?
She hit the wrecking ball.
Facts. Too early.
If you get what I'm saying.
I get you. We get you, bro. Missy.
She said, I came in like a wrecking ball. Of course. We see.
Right.
You hit the wall extremely too early.
Right.
You hit the wall extremely too early, babe.
And you toxic. Anywho. Missy Elliott.
And so was her dad.
Facts. Missy Elliott.
She's gonna be saved. And I usually don't let chicks slide, but because that's the only female that can make me want to get out my seat and dance, I'm gonna guess she alright.
Okay. All right. DJ, please pick up your phone. I'm on the request line. I'm sorry, that shit still bumps. Oh, Nicki Minaj. Oh boy, we about to piss a lot of y'all off. Nicki Minaj. Q.
How you leave? How you leave? Meek Mill, and then you marry and then you get in a relationship or married, I believe she did, to somebody that she knew who had a criminal record. Plus, and not only a criminal record, homie got a criminal record with a body under his name.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you want to be for the streets. So
just throw her up there.
That's where you go. Indeed, that's where you go. Let's not also forget the Drake's and Lil Wayne situations and rumors. So.
Right, all that ruckus. And
which I do believe it all happened. I think they smashed at the same time.
I mean, how else they were gonna let her, you know what I'm saying, get all that promo. Anywho. Nina Sky.
She looks alright.
Yeah, I think they cool too. I listened to Oye Mi Canto and Boricua, Morena, Americano, Colombiano. That song slap.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her she alright. Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna give her she alright.
Alright, she alright. Sierra.
For the streets.
Yeah, this is probably the most obvious one. Hey, Future, come get your girl. For real, come get your girl. She over there dogging my man Russell. But anywho. Christina Aguilera.
That's why y'all told her she was for the streets.
Amen. Christina Aguilera.
She underrated. She made herself look bad when she tried to sing the Star Spangled Banner back in 2000, what it was, I believe, 13.
Mm-hmm.
What happened when she forgot the lyrics or some shit?
Yeah, I think that's what happened.
Either that or she fell off stage, some shit. I don't want to call her untalented because we both be lying.
Yeah, that'd be a sin. That'd be a travesty.
But I mean, she sounds like a big name, honestly. But
she was
not.
Early 2000s. She was
right. That's why I gotta get her she alright.
Okay. All right.
Because if you're gonna be a woman with some potential, you might as well live up to it.
Facts. Selena.
Same thing with dudes.
Right.
No homo. Same for dudes.
Selena.
Oh, baby. bitty bum bum.
R.I.P.
Facts. Hella bad. I want to give her. I can't give her no queen.
No queens for Q. No queens for Q.
I say, I got to give her my girl.
Okay. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we were close. Amarie.
Who in the hell is that?
Oh, she made the song called "It's This One Thing That Got Me Tripping." It's this one thing you got me flipping it. This one thing is no. That was. Yeah, we all thought it was Beyonce, but it was her.
Okay. I remember that song. Song was fire. I just never knew the artist.
Right.
I can tell you this. Because of that song, that one and only song, and even though that's probably the only song she had popping, I believe.
There were others. She got some stuff in the early 2000s that were good. That, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly. That's why I gotta give her she alright.
Okay. I can live with that. She just alright. She alright. Rihanna.
For the streets.
Yeah, we already knew that was coming. I already knew that was coming.
He beat up by Chris Brown in 2009. And you put on all these facades like you wasn't stunning no more, and then you ran right back to him when you see he wasn't stunning your ass.
Mm-hmm.
And 2015, 16, she started going crazy.
Right. Alrighty, Selena Gomez.
I gotta be honest. I love that Disney show she had.
Wizards of Waverly Place. We all did.
She's real feminine, and I gotta be honest. I like that song. If you're ready to come and get it, na 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 na. I like that. That bump. Selena Gomez kind of in the middle, honestly.
She just all right.
Like far as being well known, she kind of is and not at the same time. If you ask me.
Yeah, she's midline famous.
Which is really sad, but probably understandable.
Yeah.
And I think what's the other song she came up with? Can't keep my hands to myself.
Yeah.
I think that was her.
Round and Round, A Year Without Rain, Lose You to Love Me. So where are we putting her?
Yeah, she alright.
She just alright?
Yeah, she alright.
Okay. Current Ariana Grande.
Whoa. I'm tripping. I get her my girl.
Okay. So that's your girl? Okay. Stupid computer. No, not there. There we go. Current Ariana Grande.
She belongs
to the streets. I'm sorry, I had to laugh.
I'm sorry, but if she would have played Cat in real life, she probably would have had a little bit of my queen, but she ain't got a chance.
Nah, Hollywood got a hold of her. Let me say that. Okay, moving on. Shakira.
Yep, I ain't gonna cap now. That's a natural beauty.
Do we got our first queen?
Hell no.
It was worth a try. E-Unit, it was worth a try. Where are we putting her?
We put her my girl.
Okay. I can live with that. You don't know. Have you listened to Echo Smith before?
She underrated though. I give you that, Shakira. She underrated.
Facts. You ever listen to Echo Smith though?
I don't think so. Name a song.
Get into my car. Cool Kids. This is the lead singer from it. Her name's Sydney Siriota. I put her in my list as a personal pick that don't nobody else know. Yeah, you
I
probably
just get her my girl.
just cause. Just cause.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I say, like I don't even know who that is.
Hey guys,
Honestly.
for once my girl is beating out thought tendencies. Okay, Amy Winehouse.
You know what?
Huh?
I can't feel sorry for nobody who put their problems on their own, on themselves, bro.
That's true. True.
And then they do it consistent. That means you ain't trying to change.
You ain't trying to change. You just sorry you got caught.
Hey, just like Steph said, you ain't trying to improve.
Right.
You know, I gotta do what I gotta do. R.I.P. By the way.
Yeah, R.I.P.
Sorry.
27 Club,
You know?
victim.
Now I know she don't want to go into this category, cause I'm trying to get her to go into that category, but my mind's saying no.
Ah! I see what you did there. So we throwing her. Where we throwing her?
Damn, so not no queen. R.I.P. once again.
To all my British fans out there, what's up?
Pressing. Low key, I want to put in a thought tendencies for them girls. Because like I said, I can't trust them. I can't trust the female who do drugs. I can't trust you. Period. You doing drugs.
Okay.
But
all right.
I want to give she alright.
She all right.
She alright.
Yeah. And let's not forget the fact that leading up to her death, she was recovered.
True.
Leading up to her death. Personally, I think the gal was murdered. I don't think it was no alcohol poisoning because the neighbors said they heard her screaming. They heard her screaming the night before. They found her dead in the early morning. So yeah, that was some scary stuff.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you something. I think what happened, her boyfriend beat the fuck out of her, like beat her to death. That's what I heard.
But they said it was alcohol poisoning. I'm like, nah, I don't buy that at all. Plus, she 27. That tells me they had something to do with it.
Nah, I'm telling you, in 2011 when she died, right? I know.
Yup, 2011.
Okay. Well, that I remember, just like it was yesterday. When I heard she died, and I'm telling you, they were saying her boyfriend beat the fuck out of her. Like, beat her to death. Because you know you can kill somebody for beating them up so bad.
Yeah, you can. Enough brute force, yeah. You can knock somebody up. You can detach somebody's head from their brainstem, something like that, but yeah. Okay, we gotta hurry this up. We got like 10 minutes left and only 5 females. Jessica Simpson.
Yeah, I give her she alright.
Okay, that was
Sorry. You thought.
where's she going back to the streets?
Back on. I say back on.
Back on.
To the mother. I tried, y'all.
Yeah, forgive the terrible key holding. Okay, this is Th0t.
Yeah, I'm carrying ass to the streets though.
Oh, Th0t's for the streets too?
Wait, who that?
Th0t.
No, not Th0t, yo. She alright.
Okay, good. I put Jessica Simpson to the streets too, though, but Zendaya.
She alright.
Okay, she's all right. No Name.
No name.
Yeah.
No queen. So, okay, she ain't got no name. I gotta give her thought tendencies, but
Now her rap name is just No Name. Her real name is Fatima Warner.
I mean, yes, of course I know that. So, but I ain't know her real name, but I know that's just her rap name. But anyway, she alright.
She just all right. Okay, Christina Milian.
Okay. Drum roll, please. Yeah, her ass. Oh, to the street. Yay.
Yeah. We can use that. You know what? Q, you just set an all-time record for this list. You've sent 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19 of my 60-something girls to the streets.
That's where they belong, bro.
Okay, let's review before I ask you one last question before we get up out of here. So we have back to the streets. We have Taylor Swift, Tierra Marie, Iggy Azalea, Lil Kim, Britney Spears, Cardi B, Kesha, not Carrie Hilson. I'm sorry, Keisha Cole, Katy Perry, Jennifer Hudson, Madonna, Megan Thee Stallion, Nicki Minaj, Miley Cyrus, Sierra, Rihanna, current Ariana Grande, Jessica Simpson, Christina Milian, Th0t Tennessee's J Lo, Kelly Rowland, Janet Jackson, Maya Harrison, Beyonce, Solange, Avril Lavigne, Foxy Brown, Lauryn Hill, Jill Scott, Lady Gaga, Left Eye, Mary J. Blige. Queen Latifah is she's alright. She's alright. She alright. Queen Latifah, Vanessa Carlton, JoJo, Alicia Cara, Brandy, current Mariah Carey, Ellie Goulding, Carly Rae Jepsen, Meghan Trainor, Missy Elliott, the twins of Nina Sky, Christina Aguilera, Amarie, Amy Winehouse, Tweet, Zendaya, No Name. My girls, Demi Lovato, Selena Gomez, Carrie Underwood, Lana Del Rey, Ashanti, Jordan Sparks, Aaliyah, past Ariana Grande, Lorde, Carrie Hilson, past Mariah Carey, Selena, Shakira, Sydney Siriota. Now, mind you, Q also set another record. For the first time, there are no queens. I have two questions, Q. Q, why are there no queens? And what does it take for you to be a queen? Hurry up, because we only got 5 minutes.
Okay, bro. Hey, I'm gonna say this. Why is there no queens?
Why are there no queens?
Why are there no queens, bro? I'll tell you why. Cause none of them were queen worthy, man.
All right, what does it take for a lady to be queen worthy?
You gotta be feminine.
Yup.
You gotta be honest.
Yup.
Which is very hard for a lot of chicks to do.
Uh-huh.
Trustworthy.
Yup.
Loyal.
Yup.
And I'm gonna say something last but not least, man. The word I'm looking for. Gotta be compatible, you know?
Okay. All right. I feel you. Now, before we...
You gotta know how to cook, too.
Yeah, all right. Fast. I have one more impending question. Out of all the girls you sent back to the streets... Hold on, I'm going to add a row above. Which one you would consider the number one queen of thoughts?
The queen of thoughts?
Who's the queen of thoughts?
Queen of thoughts?
Yeah. Who's it?
all of them.
Okay, so we don't even need to make another tier. It's just all of them. We can live with that.
For sure.
Whatever, Rich. Anyway, we I think we're done. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave that like, leave that comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my homeboy Q Speed's Fast channel. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for coming on the show with me.
For sure.
Alright, man. Remember, heal yourselves first. Be a better you. Have fun. But at the same time, stay on your purpose, man. We love y'all. Take care. Deuces.